There are several ways to potentially make money with Google, either by leveraging their platforms or by offering services that align with Google's ecosystem. Here are some options. Google AdSense. If you have a website, blog, or YouTube channel with quality content and traffic, you can apply for Google AdSense. It allows you to display ads on your content, and you earn a portion of the revenue when users interact with those ads. YouTube Partner Program. If you create videos, you can monetize your YouTube channel through the YouTube Partner Program. This program enables you to earn money from ads shown before, during, or alongside your videos. Google AdWords, now Google Ads. If you have knowledge of online advertising, you can help businesses create and manage their Google Ads campaigns. This involves getting paid to optimize ads for better performance. Google Workspace, formerly G Suite, reselling. You can become a Google Workspace reseller, offering businesses Google's suite of productivity tools. You earn a commission for each subscription sold. Android app development. Create and publish apps on the Google Play Store. If your app gains popularity, you can earn money through in-app purchases, ads, or selling the app. Google Opinion Rewards. Participate in surveys through the Google Opinion Rewards app and earn small amounts of Google Play credit for sharing your opinions. Blogging with SEO. Write high-quality, informative blog posts with search engine optimization (SEO) techniques to attract organic traffic from Google searches. You can monetize your blog through affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, or ad placements. Google Cloud Platform Services. If you have expertise in cloud computing, you can offer consulting or development services using Google Cloud Platform for businesses seeking cloud solutions. Google Analytics Consulting. Help businesses set up, interpret, and optimize their Google Analytics data to improve their online presence and marketing efforts. Offer Google Ads Management. Businesses often need help managing their Google Ads campaigns effectively. You can offer your expertise to optimize their campaigns for better results. Create Google Workspace add-ons. Develop add-ons that extend the functionality of Google Workspace apps, and offer them for sale in the Google Workspace Marketplace. Local Business Optimization. Assist local businesses in optimizing their Google My Business profiles, which can lead to better visibility.